Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Look what we've got here, a factory Daytona yellow 69 Camaro. It's decked out with all the SS equipment, 350 with a 350 automatic, just a great looking cruiser, nice tidy car. If you go to volocars.com, you can study over 100 pictures, you can read all the specs, you can get the price. Not just on this one, but a few hundred collector cars are all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be the first to see the videos as they come out. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see them. But right now, let's go for a spin in a Daytona yellow 69 Camaro. Again, just a nice turnkey car. It came in just like this. We didn't have to do really anything to it that I'm aware of. It came from down south. Good clean body. Underneath is all metal. The front end's completely rebuilt. Has disc brakes, that's all new. Turbo 350 trans, Flowmaster mufflers. The body is real clean and straight and smooth and fits real nice. Polished out to a real glossy finish. Obviously it has spoilers. Has the exterior trim group, which is the moldings on the rain gutters, the louvers on the quarters, the trim around the wheel wells. Has the blacked out SS panel, new SS emblem, new bumper. Vinyl top's in excellent shape. All this stainless looks like it's actually been replaced. All the trim looks new. Rally wheels. They look like they're the Corvette 8-inch wide with all new trim, new tires. All smooth down here. It's all smooth. The door fits real nice. The gap is real nice. Got the SS hockey stick stripe, they call that. New window seals, new mirror, new windshield. You know, all this trim looks like it's replaced. The SS hood, the grills look like they're new. Up front, all looks new. The grill, the bumper. Let me open the hood. It's a 350 motor. Got a nice Edelbrock intake on it, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition system, a set of headers, so they bumped up the horsepower a little bit. The alternator looks new. Power brake system, power steering. Everything's just neat and tidy. It has a hood insulation. The hinges are gray. The jambs are yellow. All looks real nice. Got the fan shroud. Interior's real tidy also. The seats, headrests, door panels, carpet, all in real nice shape. It has the GM seat belts. Door jambs are painted nice. Rubber's new. Armrests, window cranks, all that's excellent. Dash pad's mint. It's not warped. Looks like it's new. Got nice clean trunk compartments, all metal. Nice clean quarter panels. Weather strips new. That's all painted. Got some nice embroidered floor mats, new sill plates. Instrument panels, real nice. Heater controls, the knob, the vents, all that's in real nice looking shape. Overhead headliner looks like it's new. Sounds nice. It's a nice muscle car without being over-the-top muscle car. This is a good-looking car. It's got a nice performance 350. Sounds good. Just a great cruiser. Doors shut nice. Sounds like there's something rattling back there. Real nice and snappy, responsive. key buzzer works. It sounded like something rattling. Maybe the muffler or tailpipe is too close to something. Just a little rattle back there, but we'll put it up on the lift and figure that out. But yeah, nice looking car, ready, turnkey, go drive, go show. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find all the ways to contact us. We can help answer questions about the car, the delivery, the financing. We can help with all of that. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.